This year's a little bit more unusual than past years. We are dealing with the COVID pandemic. So large gatherings for the holidays on the beaches, at the parks, even in our own home are really strongly discouraged. And we have to really maintain social distancing. So when it comes to holiday celebrations, and grilling is a favorite pastime, we have to get a little bit creative with how we're gonna do it. Doing any kind of conventional grilling on balconies outdoors is prohibited according to the fire code for safety reasons. So using a conventional barbecue with an LP gas tank, a hibachi that creates a lot of grease is a fire hazard, a smoker, charcoal that creates fumes and also generates carbon monoxide, which is a potential poisoning risk as well and hazard for residents. All of that is not allowed for those reasons. So a safe alternative would be to use an electric grill. For balconies and apartments and condominiums, to still grill but stay in compliance and really follow the fire code for safety reasons, everyone's limited to a 200 square inch grill. Given the limitations with the electric grill, there are still some safety tips that we have to keep in mind. For example, we want to make sure that we have a nice air space in between the appliance and anything that can burn. That way the air can move around it and it keeps the surface of the appliance cool. Most common injuries with barbecues is going to be contact burns, thermal burns. Many children as well, almost half statistically of kids that do get burned from grills, they're 5 years old and younger. So it's really important that we keep a 3-foot safety distance between the appliance and children and pets. Always be very mindful of that. It's really important since cooking fires are the #1 cause of residential fires. Never leave your cooking unattended. Keep your social distancing between your family and friends and you can still have a great barbecued meal.